Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to present you this cordless lawn mower from Einhell. It's the model GE-CM 1833 Li, and the price of it is around 200 euros. This is how the machine looks like. I already managed to put it together, but first let's have a look at the box. So this is the box. We have a picture with the product on its front. Here we have the model name. It works with an 18 volts battery. You have 5 central cutting height adjustments. The blade is 33 centimeters, and with one battery of 4 amps you can cut around 200 square meters. Okay, on the top of the box we have another picture with the product. Let's turn the box around. And on this side of the box we have some characteristics of the product. Again, brushless motor, 5 cutting height adjustments, foldable handle, adjustable handle, filling level indicator on the collector bag, and this machine comes with a battery, 4 amp hour battery, and with a charger. You can buy one without battery and the charger if you already have a spare battery from other Einhell tools. This is the box. Of course, in the box you'll find plenty of user manuals, warranty cards and so on. So they came here, and also you have the box for the battery and for the battery charger. They look like this. And to assemble it, it's quite easy. So the machine comes without these handlebars. It comes in separate pieces. So you have the machine, you have the battery in the pack, you have the bag separately. First you need to connect these two handlebars, this one and that one, with these screws to the machine. Okay, all the screws are coming inside this cover here, so lift it and you'll find the bag with the screws. So you first connect these two handlebars with these two screws like this, okay, and then you need to connect the handlebar with the cable to these two handlebars with the help of these black screws. Okay, first you need to make sure that when you mount them, you don't keep them like this, you keep them like this and you rotate them until they are fully screwed, and then you need to make sure that you can do like this. If you cannot do like this, you need to unscrew them a bit. Okay, it's very easy. Then you have to put these clips to the cable and to the handlebar. You can connect the bag now or later if you want. And then in order to start the machine, of course you need to charge the battery, but first you need to insert the key here, okay, and then you need to slide the battery in. As you can see, you have some space below the battery, so you need to make sure that you slide it right where the connector is. Yeah, have a look. Okay, in order to start it, you need to press this button and keep it pressed, and then in the same time you need to pull this lever. It's very easy. So this is how the machine looks like. As I already told you, I put it together. It took me 5 minutes. Here, this is the height adjustment. As you can see, it has 5 levels: 65 millimeters, 55, 45, 35 and 25 millimeters. In order to adjust it, you need to push down this button and select the right height. This one is the key to start the machine, because in order to start the machine you need to lift this cover. I cannot do it with one hand, okay. You need to put the key here and you need to insert the battery like this. Okay, you insert it you put the key and then you start the machine. I like this cover because it has some magnets and it stays in place with the help of the magnets. It's very nice. The wheels are made of plastic. I like the quality of the materials. It's matte plastic, but it looks like a quality plastic. Here you have a handle. You can lift it if you want. This is the bag, and you have the indicator if the bag is full or not. So when this will stop doing like this, it means that the bag is full. And this is the handle. Basically, in order to start the machine, you need to put the key first, put the battery, and then you need to press this button, and then you need to pull this lever. So press the button, and while you keep the button pressed, you need to pull the lever. Okay, let's turn it around. Yeah, you have the cable to the motor. And this is it. It's very simple, and I can't wait to use it, because before I had a machine with a cable, and it was very hard to do the job with the corded machine. And in order to, if you want to adjust the lever height, you just need to unscrew these two screws here, and you can, as you can see, you have two sizes. You need to put it to the second size if you want. Okay, these clips, they come in the pack, so you need to put them first. You put the black cable in the clip, and then you put the clip on the handle. It's very easy. Let's take the bag out. So if you take the bag out, this is how it looks like, and this is how the machine looks like. You need to lift this cover to put the bag back in. Overall, I like how it looks, but I'm really curious to see how it performs. And if you want to take the handle out, you just need to unscrew this screw here and the one on the other side, and just lift the handlebar, and that's it. It's very easy, of course, but you cannot take it fully out because you still have this cable. So somehow you need to keep the handle close to the machine because they are connected. And now let's flip it. And here we have the blade. As you can see, wow, it's very sharp right from the factory. Usually they do not come very sharp. I need to check it to see if it's tightened or not. Okay guys, and if you want to fold it, all you need to do is to pull this lever here, to pull this lever here, and as you can see, you can fold it like this. Yeah, so it's very easy. Okay, I have to check the blade, and then let's give it a try. So guys, as you can see, it's cutting the grass quite well. I can say that it is comparable with my old corded machine, so I like it, and it's not as loud as the old machine. In fact, it's much quieter, and this is also a good thing. I also like the fact that it is quite light,
and it is very easy to push around. Now I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to finish the job, and at the end I can tell you the battery life and what I like and what I don't like. So I have managed to cut the grass in my yard, and I like the machine because it is very light and very easy to move around. And let's have a look at the battery. As you can see, let me press the button. I have one line out of 3. It's sun right now, it's not very visible, but one line out of 3, meaning that this is a very good performance. I have around 100 square meters of grass, and it took me around 20 minutes to cut the grass. So yeah, you can do with one battery 20 minutes and 100 square meters of grass. And I needed to empty the bag 3 times during this period. Now let me show you some things that I don't like. For example, here on the handlebar, this sponge is very easy to be scratched. As you can see, I managed to scratch it. This plastic here moves around quite a bit. I don't like it. And I don't like the fact that the wheels are quite wide and you can see marks on the ground. Now, if we look here at the blade, the material is very, I would say, soft, because as you can see I have plenty of dents from small stones, and this is something that didn't happen with my old machine. The plastic is also very soft and it's very easy to be scratched, so be very careful when you cut the grass not to hit small stones like the white ones you see behind the machine. Apart from these negative points, I have to say that I really like the machine. It is very light and very easy to be moved around, and it is a big improvement compared to my old corded machine. Guys, this was my review and unboxing. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.